Hey everybody, wanted to show you quickly how you could do a mashup cheap and free and easy. Basically, I went to Google, I typed in best free online video editor, and it came up with a list. And the very first one on the list is Movie Maker, so I figured I'd try it out. I went to Movie Maker online and I saw this. Now, you'll notice there's a bunch of clickbaity stuff. Don't click on any of that stuff. That's advertising. That's how this website makes its money. But you can add your videos, and then once your videos are added, you can then edit your videos. And so what I did is I went out and I recorded a quick video of just me using Screencastify, and then I made a quick screencast of just me using Screencastify. I then came back into this app and uploaded both of those videos. From there, I can realize, well, wait a minute, I want my video of me to go first, so I'm going to drag this up top here. Or maybe I'll drag this one down here and see what happens. There we go. So now you notice that in the timeline, I've got my one video first, and then I've got my next video, right? And so if I want to trim these or do different things, there's features to do that, but I'm not going to play with that right now. All I'm going to say is make the video. And it's going to ask me if I'm a robot, and it's going to go ahead and watch my movie, or make my movie, and we'll see what happens. All right, so basically it's now made my movie, and I'm going to go ahead and watch it and see what it looks like. Hey everybody, just making a quick video recording, and so I'll be mashing this up with some screen recordings here in a second. As you can see, it mashed the two videos together. Basically, it merged two videos into one. And so the concept is take a video with your phone, and then merge it with a screencast, and you've got a neat combination. All I have to do here is download this video, and I'm done. Okay, so that's one quick technique for mashing up or merging movies. Basically, I take a movie, whether I make it with my phone or I make it with the video capture tool in Screencastify. It doesn't really matter how I make the video. And then I take a screencast and I merge those two together. Now, another way to do this would be to go to any of the centers, or even on your own computer. Chances are your home computer has Windows Movie Maker or iMovie. And iMovie and Windows Movie Maker, or a more fancy tool like Adobe Premiere, these all are movie editors that allow you to do the same thing, which is mash up two movies. Now, the first movie would be the video, the second movie would be the screencast, and you're just pushing them together to create one finalized movie. One problem is, though, if you're using Screencastify and you go to download, if you're using the free version, you can't download movies as an MP4. Now, an MP4 is a movie file type. It saves Screencastify as what's called a WebM, and so if you save using the free version, you can only save as a WebM. Now, the good news is you can, of course, go online to various sources and add your WebM and convert it to an MP4, and then you have the movie to be able to edit. So if you're trying to edit in this particular type of movie editor, like an iMovie or a Windows Movie Maker, and it says we don't support that format, just change your WebM into an MP4 and then it'll work. Let me show you another quick way that I do movie edits, because I'll make videos with my iPhone and then make screencasts with Screencastify and then mash the two up with iMovie right on my phone. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so what you're looking at here is my phone. And what I want to show you is that I took one of the screencasts and I uploaded it here, and I basically downloaded the screencast and then sent it to my phone. So now I have that screencast that I did earlier today. But I was also able to record a nice little video of myself using my phone. So how do I get these two together? Well, if I open iMovie, I can make my own video. All I have to do is click plus project, make a movie, tell it what videos I would like to add to the movie, and create the movie. Now you'll notice I've mashed up my video with my screencast. And I did it right there on my phone. I can now say done, save the movie, and if I want to, I can play it or upload it to YouTube right from my phone. And so mashing up movies is it is an advanced technique, and I hope some of you will give it a try, but it does make for a great effect when you want to take a movie of your students or with you and your students and then mash it together with some screen instruction. All right, hope that helps. Bye-bye.